realities of playing the violin. Having a practice routine is as important as just practicing, no, in general. So when you practice, no, akala kasi ng iba basta hawak ka may violin mo, tumugtog ka, okay na, no? But if you have a routine and a plan when you practice, it becomes more efficient and you need less time to actually practice, but you get more of the things that you need to get done, no? So ano ba yung mga routines na dapat nating iniintindi? So when we practice, we always have to understand na we are actually building something, diba? We're building a set of skills, we are building endurance, we are building mindset, no, yung mga bagay na yan. And we have to have a routine para not necessarily to make it boring, but to make it structured and mas magamit natin yung time natin wisely. So you always want to build from the ground up, no? So hindi pwedeng magpa-practice ka pyesa agad, no? Pa-practice ka yung favorite song mo lang, diba? So dapat merong warm up, no? Merong foundation building, no? And then merong skill buildings and all. And then yung pinaka-last mong pa-practice in actually is your piece. So basically, so kung bago ka or sa-start ka pa lang, ganun yung dapat maging routine, no? Or maging schedule ng practice mo. So ikaw na yung magde-decide kung gaano kahaba, depending on how much time you have on your hands, no? So ako, masasuggest ko, if you are starting out, you always start with the basic ones, no? Bowings, no? Open strings, bowing exercises, ganyan. Long tones, no? Practice ka lang ng slow bows until fast bows na mapaganda mo yung sound ng open strings mo. And then you go into scales, no? Kung anong scales yung inaaral mo. So while you're building good tone, you're also practicing intonation when you're doing scales. And then you go into exercises, etudes yan, mga method books na inaaral mo. Daanan mo sila so that you also develop certain skills like sight reading, for example, or learning how to read fast passages. Ayan. And then yung last na dapat mong ginagawa is actually playing your pieces, no? So kapag maayos na yung tone, maayos na yung sound, maayos na yung intonation and technique, that's where you put them all together and play the song that you like, or if you have a certain piece that you need to study. Kasi pag practice mo is all over the place, it doesn't add up. It takes so much time kasi babalikan mo, oh, hindi pa pala maayos tone production ko, o mag-open string ako, o nagpa-practice ka ng pyesa, hindi mo magawa, ayun pala, nandun yun sa etude na ginagawa mo. So making sure that you have a good routine and a good base to build up on is going to make your practice more fun, more efficient, and actually less of a strain, di ba? Mas matagal ka bago mapagod. Hope you practice today and follow for more, and I'll see you on the next one.